Hey yo, my people, this is your plus a minute. Special. So take again another reaction. Shoot. So, without wasting any time, let's get into it. First one is the Coco, the Jelly. The song is on the paid. There's Youngstana, Sinam Solo, and Cameron Pela on the song or songs for And the second one is Big Nas Gage, the hot singer in this country for now. For now, let me say for now. Because it's topping the chart. Gage. This song is topping the chart, This is the end of the video. I'm gonna be reacting to this song. It's just two of it. Till the end of the video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye.